What's up, everybody? It is Monday, September 28th. Yeah! Mark it up. Quiet day today. I think it is the end of Yom Kippur. But we had a nice update today. Hey, you know what? I had a guy who emailed me today. Actually, it's been a conversation over the last week or two. He says, Mike, I got a bad position on in the currencies. He was in a position, it was going against him because of this correction that we've been in. I said, hey man, don't worry, it's all up here. You got to stay cool, you got to stay calm, we'll work it out. If you need to average out that position so that you're in, a better spot when things bounce back, we'll be all right. Had to calm him down, had to get him cool and collected. And today he sent me an email, said, hey Mike, thanks so much. I worked my way out of that position with your help. So, you see, I mentor people. I help them out. It's all up here, folks. You determine the outlook. You determine the outcome. That's what I want to say. You determine the outcome. It's not based on the market. Now, all of you out there, or most of you out there anyway, you're looking for that magical system fairy, and the system fairy is going to take you to where you want to go, and she's so protective of you, and you're going to be picked up in a ball of cotton, and you're never going to have to worry, you're not going to have any stress. And sometimes you may have to need a stop loss. But the next one's going to be a big profit all the time because the system fairy is going to make sure that's going to happen for you. Folks, it doesn't happen that way. But the good news is you have control over the outcome. Not the market, not the Fed, not some freaking headline somewhere. You have control over your outcome. And that's basically true with everything in life. It really isn't just applicable to trading. All right, that's true in everything. You have control over your own outcome. Like everybody's trying to make this game external somehow. Like there's some thing out there. And all you need to do is find that thing. The thing is right up in here. It's how you behave. It's how you react. It's your ability to control yourself. This game is really easy. The hard part is that, that self-discipline, that self-control. How do you do discipline? See, I don't even like when people say that because that's kind of like, a cliche. Oh, you got to be disciplined. They never tell you how to be disciplined. I'm the only one who tells you how to do it. Like, I hear that all the time. It's in books. It's the so-called trading wisdom, and it's correct. Don't get me wrong. But how do you do it? It's one thing to tell somebody, hey, you got to be disciplined. How do you do it? You do it by putting yourself into uncomfortable situations over and over and over again. Resistance, it's like the same principle as building up your muscles. If I were to tell you, hey, go be a gold medal athlete. Okay, fine. How do I do it? Yeah, you got to train for whatever sport you're in. Go be a champion, weightlifter or bodybuilder. And you're like this, you're built like this, you got nothing. You're a 127-pound wet noodle. You got to train, you got to work out. It's the same thing with the mind. Same thing with the mind. So I don't just like say to people this kind of dismissive, hey, you got to be disciplined. No, I tell you because I hate when people do that, and I hear it all the time. From smart people I respect, but then they're like, hey, you got to be disciplined. How do you get disciplined? You got to put yourself in uncomfortable situations all the time. And you can't run away from them. All right? That's the key thing. Like, many of you have been in uncomfortable situations. Everybody has. That's a part of life, whether you're talking about trading or whether you're talking about something else. But then what do? You run. You run away. You get out of there fast. The fight or flight syndrome. You always choose flight. You never choose fight. You got to fight through it. Like Gary Kasparov said, the Grandmaster chess champion. He said, look, we're dealing with a situation of unknown outcomes. You make a decision, you push through, you manage through it, you keep going forward, you find a way. But you have to put yourself in uncomfortable situations all the time. Now many of you, you've experienced that, and then you run, then you quit. Then you're in this fantasy land of finding something externally that's going to make it happen for you. I mean, think about that for a second. Think about that. That is like a totally unachievable thing. I'm going to find something out there that's going to do everything for me, and I don't have to do anything. I'm just going to kick back like this, and it's all going to be wonderful. That is the attitude most of you have. But your attention is not where it should be. It's like your attention should be here, and you're looking over here, thinking there's some box, some black box over there that's going to take care of your life. You are the one who can only take care of your life. Nobody else. Nobody else. Just you. All this stuff is achievable. And I've said so many times that a lot of you come into this game thinking you want to make money and you want to be successful, but that's not really your motivation. Your motivation is like action. Action. I need action. I got to bet now. Wait, I need my money now, now. Give me the money now. Tomorrow, let's do, let's put up a 5-minute chart. Let's put up a tick chart. I'm going to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Seriously. You guys are nuts. All right, listen, I put out the new edition of MMT Trader. That's another thing. Like what I do, this core analysis of fiscal flows, like nobody does this. Nobody does this. And this drives everything. It drives everything. You got trillions and trillions of dollars flowing in and out of the economy daily, with federal government spending, debt sales, taxation, etc. You want inside information? This is the greatest inside information you're ever going to get, and it's absolutely 100% legal. You master this, you understand this, there's nothing else better. There's simply nothing else better. All right, go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and sign up for a 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. Do it now! And by the way, listen to all my podcasts right here in the link below. See you tomorrow. Bye.